everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and thank you so much for your continuously watching these videos and continuously giving the appreciations in the different social media platforms. These three strategies which I am going you to share today, these are the mind-blowing, and I request you to please bring on your pen and paper and note down these three strategies, and you must need to implement that in your business and sales career so that you get the amazing results. Number one thing which you need to make sure in your business and your career is you need to think out of the box. Nobody wants the same solutions with everyone. If you have the capability where you are able to package your product and service with the out of the box thing, definitely your prospect is going to love that. And you need to make sure you cannot bore your prospect and your client. If you do that, definitely after one or two transactions, your prospects will stop hanging out to you. So if you have the thing where your prospect also get continue new thing, and they will feel, yes, in this time my buyer, my seller bring some amazing things, definitely they will buy. So make sure you think outside the box and you have some unique things in your product and service. Second thing which you need to understand, you need to improve email skills, because 98.5% people who check their emails every day, and email is the best thing to transfer our message to the prospect, because there is a high chances when they directly connect to you after seeing your email, and that will cost hardly penny to you. And if you do this the appropriate way, definitely you are going to get the amazing results. So start mastering your email writing skill. When you do that, definitely you are going to get the amazing result. Number third, which you don't need to forget, that is called don't break your relationship with your clients after selling the thing. Because if somebody bought one time, that doesn't mean they are not going to buy again. So you need to make sure you have that kind of strong bonding and connection where your client is feel, yes, after buying this product or solution, again I need to buy this. So make sure you cannot stop your connections, you cannot stop your speaking with your prospect after selling one time, because if you cannot do that, definitely your prospect will feel he is not selfish and he is the one who continuously support me, and they will start selling on behalf of you. So make sure you have these three things in your business and your sales, and definitely you will get the amazing result. So number one thing which we discuss, think outside the box. You need to think in the different ways so that you can provide them the better solutions. Number two things which we discuss, we need to master the email skills, because there are 98.5% people in the world who check their emails every day. Third thing which we discuss, we don't need to break our relationship with your prospect after selling one time, because once they buy one time, that doesn't mean they won't buy second and third and fourth time. So continuously implement these three things, and definitely you will see the amazing result. See you in another video. Till that time, take care of yourself and see you.